In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Mortal Kombat 2-player on the PlayStation 5. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is make sure you have your friend added on your PlayStation friend list and open up Mortal Kombat 11. Inside Mortal Kombat 11, you will be able to select Fight and choose the online modes. Inside online, you can choose two options to play two-player. You can either select Versus under Private, and when you tap Versus, you will be able to immediately invite your friend by selecting them from your friends list. Both of you will be able to pick your characters and the stage after they accept, or alternatively, you can create a room. So either select Versus under Private or Create under Rooms, and as long as they join your room, both of you will be matched together and able to do whatever you wish. Like I said, any of these methods will work. I recommend you select Versus and invite them directly, as this means no one else can join your room and you can directly be matched together without any issues. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Mortal Kombat 2-player on the PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.